Every day, we are faced with decisions, both big and small. Decision making is fundamental to human existence, yet we struggle with it daily. What makes decision making challenging? When emotions, biases, high stakes, lack of clarity, time pressure, and past experiences enter the picture, decision making becomes difficult and unclear. Let's discuss the 5 most common yet difficult obstacles to decision making and how simple efficiency hacks can help us overcome them. Number 1 is drowning in decisions. Have you ever thought about how many decisions we make in a day? All these big and small choices really wear out our brains. It's like navigating through a constant flood of information and decisions. So, how can we make it easier on ourselves? One way is to streamline our processes with checklists to avoid missing important details in information overload. Another way is to make batch decisions, such as deciding the cooking menu for a whole week in one shot. Trust me, it does make a huge difference. Number 2 is fear of failure. Worrying about making the wrong choice and its potential negative impact leads to wrong decisions. For example, we might hesitate to share our opinions due to fear of judgment or avoid taking the initiative because we are afraid of not meeting expectations. Uncertainties can freeze our decision making and stir up anxiety and indecision, making it tough to take risks or generate new ideas. But here is the deal. Every mistake is a chance to learn. Just remember, worrying only steals today's peace. Planning for different scenarios in advance does help you prepare for various outcomes, giving you the confidence to take necessary risks without fear. Number 3 is desire for perfection. Being a perfectionist or always wanting to be the best sometimes leads to faulty decisions. This desire can even create post-decision doubts that can undermine confidence and stall progress. It's totally normal to want to do a great job and make awesome stuff, but aiming for perfection can make you overthink, delay decision-making, feel less confident, and miss out on opportunities. For example, overanalyzing outcomes might delay your startup at the very first stage. We have faced this situation ourselves, and our best approach is to set clear standards for what counts as good enough decisions and make improvements iteratively. Number 4 challenge is when emotions are riding high. When we are stressed, anxious, or let our personal biases take over, we make irrational decisions. Our emotions become louder than our logic, leading to impulsive or biased choices. In high-pressure situations, it's tough to think straight. Stressful emotions can push us to make quick decisions or avoid making them at all. So what can we do? Work on your emotional intelligence to recognize and handle your emotions. Numerous studies have shown that it's best not to make decisions when your emotions are too high or too low. Take a moment to breathe and think before making decisions. Last challenge is juggling with priorities. Different people and groups pull you in multiple directions, making it really tough to focus on what's truly important. Even if we want to take some time, the pressure to perform is so big that at times it leads to faulty decisions. It clouds our judgments and we tend to overlook critical due diligence. To manage this, learn to say no and prefer clear communication in all ways possible. And there you have it. 5 common decision-making challenges at work and how to overcome them. Just remember, decision-making is a skill you get better at over time. Prioritize, delegate, keep your emotions in check, communicate openly, and don't strive for perfection. Leave a comment below on which challenges you face the most while making decisions and how you handle them. Discover more articles, tools, and personalized solutions at theblogrelay.com. Upskill professionally with our expert guidance. Thank you for tuning in. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe.